Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Canvas inbox. And the default for all of your messages over here on the left is they're going to show up from all courses. You can click on that to see just messages from your spring courses or whichever courses are starred and put on your dashboard. More courses and concluded are older courses, and groups are any groups that you're in. You can also filter by inbox, unread. These are unread messages. Starred messages are ones that you have hovered over here and clicked on the little star. So if there's something you want to make sure you save to read later, or you haven't responded to it and you just want to make sure you don't miss it, then you can go give it a star. And then when you filter by starred messages, those show up there. You can look for your sent messages. Archived are things that you have kind of packed away in the file folder for later, and submission comment notifications. To send a message, you're going to click on this pencil icon that says compose a new message. You will select your course from favorite courses. And then in the to field, you're going to click on this little contact icon, and you can email your teacher. If you click on teachers, then me and my student teacher both show up, so you can click on the teacher. If you wanted to email other students in the class, you could click on students and all of your classmates will come up, and you can click on each name that you would like to email as well. Observers are parents, so only your parents are going to come up there, but you could message your parents if you wanted to. Give your email a subject, and then send an individual message to each recipient. Means that when they reply, if you're sending this message to a group, when they reply, it won't reply all. It will only come back to you. It will kind of act as if you had sent an individual message to each person in the group. You'll type your message here. If you select this paperclip icon, you can add an attachment. And if you click on this little play button, it's to record audio or video, and you can send that directly in your message. Click on send, and there you go. If you have a message in your inbox that you would like to respond to, you click on this little arrow that says reply. This one says reply all, which means it could potentially go to everyone else on the email thread. This is the archive button. So if it's something that you want to not necessarily delete, but you want to put away so that you don't have it immediately popping up in your inbox, you can file it away in the archive. The little trash can is to delete, and you have more options under the gear. You can mark something as unread if you want to make sure that you read it again later. You can do that, and now it will tell me that I need to read that still. You can forward it to another email address, or you can add a star here as well. This is also a search bar, so if you wanted to search for a specific teacher that has sent you a message, you could click on the course, select the teacher, and then any communications that you've gotten from them will appear on the left. And now you know how to send and receive emails through Canvas.